If you're a small business owner and don't have the time or budget to film content, the Vmake agent can help you. It can turn one image into realistic UGC-style content fast. Vmake agent uses top-tier generative models, including OpenAI Sora 2, to make the motion and realism feel perfect. And the best part is your generative video exports do not have a watermark. Today I'll show you two preset workflows inside of the Vmake agent, so no prompts to write, simply upload a photo and generate. Firstly, product image to model showcase for e-commerce, and then secondly, storefront photo to promo video for small businesses. This is a very cool feature as well. So first things first, I'm going to log on to vmake.ai. I'm going to sign into my account. Here I can turn anything into pretty much anything. But firstly, I'm going to select the model that I would like to have. Sora 2 for video is a very powerful model. Under the hood, that's going to work and help us create the highest quality product image showcase video that we're going to create today. Now, I do not need to type anything in. I do not need to write anything down. I'm going to scroll down. Here are all of the amazing templates. I'm going to select product image to model showcase, and I'm going to select try now. So as we can see, utilizing Sora 2, my prompt has been given to me, and here is the image that it automatically gives us as a default, but I would like to upload my own product image now. So I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to find the pair of headphones that I'm uploading to the site because that is my product hypothetically in this scenario. And also a small tip, make sure that your product image is clear. You can see the product has good lighting because that will lead to better results. Once it's uploaded, I simply select the go button. So after I upload the product image, Vmake agent asks for a quick selling script. This is not a prompt, just the key information you want the video to communicate. So what could you write? Well, keep it to 3 parts. What is it? What are the top 2 or 3 benefits? And who is it for? Plus a quick, clear call to action. So, for example, you could have, like I've got, these are lightweight, comfortable headphones with clear sound and deep bass, great for music, calls, and everyday use. Tap to shop them and try them out. That's my call to action. There are my key features, and that's why it's a great piece of kit. I'm going to give this as the script to the Vmake agent. Now the generation is complete. When I click play, you'll see the product stays accurate and recognizable.
If you love the look of vintage gear but expect modern performance, these are for you. Our retro modern over-ear headphones are incredibly light, super soft around the ears, and built with a bamboo and suede headband that feels as good as it looks.
The video clearly communicates the benefits that I wrote down in my script, and the product remains visible throughout the key moments. So here's why this matters for small businesses. If you've got a low budget but you're looking to create high quality UGC content to help drive sales, the Vmake agent can do exactly that. It's never a guarantee that you're going to get sales, but having great quality content will always help. All it took was a good quality product photo and a few key selling points of the item. It's useful if you sell on Etsy, Shopify, eBay, Amazon, even local businesses like salons, gyms, fitness clubs. This would also be very good if you're selling your own products. So instead of making stuff yourself, you can utilize the Vmake agent to help create higher quality product videos for a fraction of the price and help drive overall efficiency into your workflow. So, next up, our second use case, great for small business owners or business owners in general. If we scroll down to our templates, there's going to be one called Storefront Promo Video. Select Try Now. Make a short video with a virtual presenter promoting the service and the product of the shop in the image. Now, if I select a storefront promo video for what is going to be a cafe, and then I'm going to add my image. And daylight photos with a clear visible sign and doorway work the best. So here for the script, we want to make sure that the virtual presenter generates and gives the key messaging about your shop or your service. Keep it short and structured. What is the place? Top 2 or 3 services or bestsellers, one differentiator, and a clear call to action at the end. Now I'm going to get a request from the agent to deliver our script. Here is my example. We're a local coffee shop serving quality coffee and fresh pastries every day, cozy seating, quick pickup, and a welcoming team. Stop by or order ahead. I'm going to give that as my prompt. And here is the final generated video.
We're a local coffee shop serving quality coffee and fresh pastries every day. Cozy seating, quick pickup, and a welcoming team. Stop by or order ahead.
It clearly mentions the key points and services provided, and it's pretty much ready to post on TikTok, Shorts, Reels, or even run as a local ad. So this is genuinely a huge win for all small business owners. With one photo, you can create ads of a very high quality, saving time, money, and budget, and ultimately it will help drive your hopeful success of the business. People will instantly understand what you offer as a business and when they can come in and why they should come in. It's great for barbers, for shops, for cafes, for restaurants, the whole entire range, even clothing stores. So instead of filming every single time you run a new offer, you could utilize Vmake Agent to help create dedicated tailored content at a fraction of the time and price. Alright, so quick recap. With just 2 photos, you can make 2 practical marketing assets for your business or your own projects. A product model showcase video to help you sell online, or a storefront promo video to help people discover your business. The Vmake Agent is designed to help businesses and people still show up on the map when their budget isn't necessarily huge. It's designed to save time and continue to help people grow within their business and personal lives. And this is just the start. The Vmake Agent has a whole host of other workflows and use cases that we'll be breaking down on this channel as we head forward into the future. So remember, if you enjoyed today's video, please do leave a like and subscribe down below. Let us know what you're most excited to use and what type of business or project you're working on, or let us know what you're trying to improve. The Vmake Agent will be linked down in the description below. And remember, you can start with 1 product photo or 1 photo of your business and completely transform your journey. Thank you for watching.